In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone via Zelle QR code. So the first thing you want to do is you want to load it into your banking app or whatever you're using in order to access Zelle. And then you just want to go ahead and select on Zelle like you normally would. And the point is, you want to make sure you get to Zelle. So I know that Zelle is built into many banking apps, including Bank of America. So basically, you just want to go to the Zelle section like you normally would. Alright, now afterwards, all you want to do is you want to select on this option that says QR code. And you have two different options. So it is going to allow you to view your code, which you can go ahead and send over to your friends, or you can point your QR code, and that will allow people to actually send you money from there. However, if you're the one trying to send money to people, then you need to select over here where it says scan. Then it's going to open up the camera, or you guys could select something from your photo. So if you took a picture of the QR code, that is also going to work as well. But basically, you want to go ahead and scan it, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and send funds. So thankfully, Zelle does make it relatively easy, and then afterwards, you need to go ahead and confirm how much money you want to send, and then afterwards, you're going to be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.